Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Alina Mahfouz from the Department of BS Environmental Science. My given topic of presentation is first generation of computer. Contents of first generation of computer. I will talk about the history, introduction, vacuum tubes, magnetic drums, features of first generation of computer, advantages, drawbacks, limitations. Generations of computer. So the question is, how computers can be categorized as generation of computer. So based on the characteristics of various computers developed from time to time, they are categorized as generation of computer. There are 5 generations. The period of 1940 to 1956 was roughly called as first generation period. The period of 1956 to 1963 was roughly called as second generation. The period of 1963 to 1971 was roughly called as third generation of computer. The period of 1972 to 2010 was roughly called as fourth generation, and 2010 to till date, it was the period of fifth generation. Let us talk about first generation of computer. History of first generation of computer. In 1942, electronic computer circuit was made with 100 vacuum tube, but unfortunately it was destroyed in air raid. Then in 1945, electronic numerical integrator and computer was developed. The time period of this generation was 1946 to 1959. Introduction of first generation of computer. First generation of computers used vacuum tubes and magnetic drums for memory. They basically relied on only machine language, it means binary code, therefore zeros and ones. Examples are electronic, numerical, integrator, and computer. This is first generation of computer. They were very large in size. What are vacuum tubes? Vacuum tubes, it was a device which is used to amplify a signal by controlling the movement of electron. It was firstly developed by Johann Ambrose Fleming in 1904. Then, what are magnetic drums? Magnetic drum is also referred to as a drum. It is basically a metal cylinder which is coated with magnetic iron oxide material on which data and programs can easily be stored out. Magnetic drums were once used as primary storage also device, but have since been implemented as auxiliary storage devices. This is a magnetic drum which was used in first generation of computer for memory. Input and output of first generation of computer. The input of this system was mainly based on punched cord and paper type material, while the output of this system was mainly displayed on printouts. What were the features of first generation of computer? It was based on vacuum tube technology. They were very expensive. They were they were large in size. They relied on machine language, means binary concept, therefore zeros and ones. They consumed high electricity and generate large amount of heat. Advantages of first generation of computer. In the next slide, there is a flow chart of advantages. In first generation of computer, there was ability availability of electronic components only. Next is they they were mainly depend upon general calculations and large calculations. In first generation of computer technology was the main step, and it was very beneficial for other generations of computer. They were also involved in those calculations which were referred to atom bomb development. Drawbacks of first generation of computer. They were very expensive. Their weight was so high, so they were large in size, so they were difficult to handle. Their weight was 30 ton, so it seemed like a whole room. They consume high amount of electricity and generate high production of heat. Next is the limitations of first generation of computer. Limitations are that the first generation of computers are only limited to general calculations. They were solving one problem at a time, so they are not able to understand multitasking work. Their storage was so small in computer memory. Thank you.